Hi everyone. So today I came up with a new challenge. So here in JavaScript we have an array which has 1, 3, 4 and 5 as values. So today the challenge is we need to find the missing number. So in this array, if you observe, we have 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5. So here we have sequence of numbers but 2 is missing. So we need to find we need to write a function where it returns the missing number 2. Okay, so this is challenge. Pause the video, give it a try, and you see my solution next. Okay, so here is my solution. We have a function missing number. It takes array as input. Okay, now we need to have a for loop. We'll go with the legacy one because I'll let you know why. I is equal to 0, I less than array dot length minus 1, I plus plus. Okay, yeah. So then we will check the if condition, and in the if condition I will say array of I plus 1. So I'm taking the next element, like for example the loop is at 0, so 0 means 1, I is equal to 0 means 1, but I am taking I plus 1 which returns this element. So this minus array of I, that means this. So basically I am subtracting these two. I have changed the order because I want to have a bigger number on the left side and the smaller number on the left side. Okay, so 3 minus 1. Okay, so it should not be greater than 2 if, or in this case let's say if it is greater than 1. Okay, so if we subtract any numbers in a sequence, like 3 minus 4 is 1, 4 minus 5 is 1, 5 minus again if there is 6 is 1, so it's always the subtraction value is 1. But in some cases when there is a missing number, the value will be greater than 1, so that's the condition I'm using here. So 3 minus 1 is 2, so that means it satisfies this condition. So as soon as we satisfy this condition, we return array of I, that is the current element, but we don't want to return this element, we want to return the element that is missing, so absolutely that will be plus 1. So if I save this function and if I try to console log the result, missing numbers, and I pass the array, now I save it, open the terminal, clear node index.js, see 2. Let us test it with some other value. Let me put 2 back here and let me the 6 and directly 7. Now let me check. See, 6 is missing. 5 after 6 is missing, we have 7 here, so 6 is. There is one thing we can also add to this. For example, if the challenges come something like this, in which the user says it is not in a sorted order, for example like 2 comma like 3 comma 1 comma 4 comma 5, so this is not sorted. So in this case we can do just array dot sort first, and then we'll try to run this against the same other two. So we need to sort it first and then do this operation. That's it guys, hope you like this video, this challenge. I'll see you in the next challenge. Thank you.